Hello everyone, this is our third video on the 11 plus maths practice papers. On this video, the first part is the introduction, how to prepare yourself to take this exam via YouTube. Second part is the actual exam itself with some time restriction. Then the third section is marking the exam paper by yourself. If you like, you can ask your parent to mark the exam. At the end, the final section is we will show you how to do these questions. Let's look at some introduction. This maths test is suitable for ages 9 to 12, or if you are in the school year is 5 to 7. Let's look at our instruction for this video. Instruction for this examination. Instruction 1. Questions are set up with timing of 15, 30 or 60 seconds and required to complete within that time. Instruction 2. Please do not pause the video at any time during the exam. Instruction 3. When you completed the exam, you can correct the exam by yourself by watching the video continuously. The answers are given at the end of the exam. Instruction 4. At the end of the answer section, we have explained how to do the questions effectively and quickly. Instruction 5. Finally, if you like, you can share your name and the marks in the comment section below in this video. Now you can pause this video and get ready for the exam. When you're ready, you can start the exam. Hello everyone, let's look at the working out of each and every questions now. Question number 1. A number machine has an operation of division 3, multiplication 5. The answer is 20. So it's a number machine, you're giving some input, right? And that machine is going to be divide that number by 3 and times that number by 5 and producing the result as 20. The way to do this question is do the inverse operation from the reverse order. So from the 20, you need to do the reverse order. So times by 5 means you need to divide by 5. It's called opposite operation. So 20 divided by 5 is 4. Then the second operation is divide by 3. So you do the reverse operation times by 3. So 3 times 4 is 12. So check the answer. If you put input as 12, 12 divided by 3 is 4. 4 times 5 is 20. So the answer for the first question is 12. Question number 2. Find the mean for the first 5 even numbers. The first 5 even numbers are 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. So these are the 5 even numbers, first 5 even numbers. So add them up and divide by how many of them. So there are 5 numbers, so you need to basically add them up. So there's no hard and fast rule for how fast you can add this one. The way I do is 2 plus 8 is 10, 10 plus 10 is 20, 26 plus 4 is 30. So 30 divided by 5 equals 6. So you can add in normal way. So 2 plus 4, 6, 6 plus 6, 12, 20, 30. Whichever the way easiest for you. So the question number answer for the question number 2 is 6. Question number 3. What is the perimeter of a square if its area is 81? So square, the area is 81 centimeter square means some number times by another number is 81. Square means all 4 sides are equal. We know that one. So 9 times 9 is 81. So all 4 sides are equal. So all 4 sides is 9 times 4 is 36 centimeter is the perimeter. That is the question number 3. Question number 4. What is 33 and a quarter as an improper fraction? Improper fraction, so 33 1 upon 4, you need to times by 33 times 4 and then add the 1, so that is equal to 133 upon 4. That's a straightforward question. Question number 5. How many triangular faces does a hexagonal base pyramid have? So the hexagonal base pyramid means I need to try to find out a shape to draw this diagram. Let me show that one. So hexagonal means there's a 6-sided base. So 3, 4. You don't need to draw this one in your exam. By practice you can quickly suss that out like how many triangular face. But I'm trying to help you how the tetrahedral triangular hexagonal base pyramid look like. So the bottom base is hexagon, then there are 6 triangular face surrounded. So it's going to be like this. This is the hexagonal base pyramid. So the trick here is they didn't ask total faces. Total faces is 6 plus 1 is 7. They're not asking the bottom base. Bottom base is the hexagon. So the triangular faces are, this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 triangular faces for this hexagonal base pyramid. Question number 6. What type of angle is 130? 130, you know, anything between 90 and 180 is going to be obtuse angle. So obtuse angle you need to circle. That is the answer for the question number 6. Question number 7. Convert 1.7 liters into centimeter cube. So if you convert 1 liter equal 1000 milliliter. So 1.7 liter is 1700 milliliter. 1 milliliter equal 1 centimeter cube, right? 1700 centimeter cube. That is the answer for question number 7. Question number 8. Find the capacity. Capacity is another name for volume. Capacity of this 3D shape. They didn't even say what is this shape. It's actually a cube. So volume of a cube, you need to times the one of the side 3 times. So 5 times 5 times 5, which is 125. The unit is very important. Centimeter cube. That is the volume or capacity. Question number 9. The coordinate A is 7 minus 3. It's moved 6 places to the right. So 6 places to the right and 8 units to the up. So what would be the new coordinate of A? So this is A. So let's say A dash is the what is the coordinate. So the 7 is the x coordinate, minus 3 is the y coordinate. If you move right hand side, the x coordinate is going to be increased. 7 plus 6 is 13 and minus 3. The minus 3 is going to be increased top plus 8. So the point is moving upward means the y coordinate increased by 8. So minus 3 plus 8, which is plus 5. So the point A dash, the new coordinate is going to be 13, comma 5. So the reason why 13, 5 is the x coordinate 7 increased by 6, which is the right side movement, is 13, and the y coordinate increased by 8 because of it's going upwards. So 13, comma 5 is the final answer for the question number 9. Question number 10. How many times can 7 go into 431? So basically it's a short division or long division. So you divide by 7, 7 goes into 6 is 42, and 1 remaining for 11, 7 goes into 1, 7. So 4 remainder, we don't worry about the remainder. How many times can 7? So 61 times. So 61 times or 61 is the answer. Question number 11. What is the difference between the perimeter of this shape? Perimeter is just to start from one point and you need to add all the sides around that shape. So 6 plus 12 is 18. 18 plus 14 is 32. So the shape of this one is 32 centimeter is the perimeter. And if you start from this shape, 3 plus 4 is 7. 7 plus 5 is 12. 16, 24, again 32 centimeter. So they're asking what is the difference, mean 32 take away 32 is 0. So the answer is 0. Question number 12. How many edges does a triangular prism have? So triangular prism means prism, you need to understand how the prism is going to be. Prism, any prism, the word prism means if you cut across the length, the cross section is going to be not going to be changed. So this is a triangular cross section, and if I cut throughout the length, every slices is going to be triangular. So how many edges is going to be? So you can count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, then 7, 8, 9. So 9 edges is the answer. Question number 13. What is the highest common factor for 15 and 12? So the factors of 15 is what? 1 is a factor, 3 is a factor. The numbers can divide the 15 are the factors. So 1 can be the factor, so 3 can be the factors, and 5 can be the factors, and the 15 can be the factor. So the easiest way to do is 1 times 15, 3 times 5. So you can write all the factors like that. So 12, what is the factors of 12? 1 times 12, 2 times 6, and 3 times 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 12 is the factors. So highest common factor. So the common factors, 1 is also a common factor. 3 is another common factor. And other than there is no other common factor. So the highest common factor, 1 or 3, 3 is the highest common factor. We call HCF. So HCF is 3. So that is the answer for question number 13. Question number 14. What is 8.5 times by 8.5? So I'm just leave the decimal point out. Just times 85 by 85. The easiest method I got, 85 times 85. This is only applicable for a same number, 85, 85 or 75, 75, 35, 35. This method is very useful. When you're multiplying, the easiest way to do is 5 times 5 is 25. Add 1 to the 1 of this number, that becomes 9. 9 times 8 is 72. So the answer is 7225. Here 1 decimal, another decimal, so 2 decimals. So you place the decimal here, 72.25. That is the answer. That's the quickest way I can do it. For an example, if I ask you to multiply 65 times 65, people multiply long multiplication take like more than a half a minute. So easiest way to do is 5 times 5 is 25. Add 1 to the 6 is 7. 7 times 6 is 42. So 4225. So that is not the answer. I just show an example, but that is the working, and the final answer for this question is 72.25. Question number 15. What is the value of the 8 in the 12,832? 8 is in the ones, tens, hundreds. So 800 is the answer for the. So we need to be very careful. They're asking the value, right? So the place value is only 100, but the value of the 8 is 800, right? So if they ask for what is the place value, so this place, the third number place is only 100, right? Because this is ones, tens, hundreds, but they are asking the value of the 8. That means 8 times 100. The answer is 800. Question number 16. What is the time if a clock which is 12 minutes fast shows 13:11? So 13:11 is not the actual time. It's 12 minutes fast. So you need to reverse 12 minutes. So 12 minutes you need to reverse means take the 11 minutes out. So that becomes 13:00, and you need to take another. So from here to here, I take 11 minutes out and take 1 more minute to make up the 12 minutes. So that becomes 14:59, because 60 minutes is 1 hour. So the answer is 14:59 is the actual time, because of the watch is a little bit of faster, 12 minutes faster. So the actual time is 14:59. Question number 17. So question number 17, what is the probability of picking a number card at random from a complete 52 card? So you need to understand, in a normal standard pack of card, there is 4 different signs are here. So let me explain that one, because this is our first question in the probability card. This is called hearts, and the next one is the diamond, and another one we call spade, and another one we called as a clubs. So these are the 4 different signs on the card. Each section you have 13 cards there. So 13 of them, 13 of them, 13 of them, 13 of them. This is a red card, this is a red card, and these 2 sections are black cards. Right, now they are asking a number card in the section. So if I take one of the card from this 13, the first card is ace, then 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and after that Jack, Queen, King. So these three cards are picture cards, and these are the number cards. So how many number cards are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. But 4 category, 9 times 4 is 36 cards are number cards out of 52. So you have to make it simple as possible. Half of 36 is 18 over 26. Then half of 18 is 9 over 13. So the final answer is 9 over 13. That is our simplified answer. Question number 18. What is 111 over 4 as a mixed fraction? So 111 over 4 means you need to divide the 4. 4 times 2 is 8. 3 remaining. 31. 4 times 7 is 28. 3 remaining. So 27 is the answer. When you are dividing by 4, the remainder is 3. So this is the way to write as a mixed fraction. So the answer is 27 3/4. Question number 19. Nisha scored 120 out of 150 in the verbal exam. What percentage did she show a score? Percentage means times by 100, cut 0, and you can divide by any number. So let's do this way. So 5 goes into 2, 5 goes into 3, 3 goes into 1, 3 goes into 4 and 0. So 40 times 2, 80 percentage. There's so many other ways you can do. So 120 over 150. You simplify this as much as possible. Cut 0. So 3 times 4, 3 times 5. So that is the simplified version of her result. And for the percentage, you times by 100. 5 goes into 20. 20 times 4 is 80 percentage is the answer for the question. Question number 20. Miss Flower has 3 red flowers. So red flowers 3, blue flowers 15, and yellow flowers is 12. What is the ratio of the blue is to red is to yellow? So blue is 15, red is 3, and yellow is 12. Every number can be divided by 3. So 3 goes into 5, 3 goes into 1, and 3 goes into 4. So the answer is 5:1:4. That is the answer. Question number 21. If x plus 12 equal minus 15, find what does x equal. The plus 12 need to be go other side. So x equal the minus 15 already there, and the plus 12 becomes minus 12. Both minus mean you need to add them together. So minus 27. So x equal minus 27. Question number 22. Circle the number that is closest to 20. So the way to do is, if you take away from 20, you will get 0.05. So here, if you take away, because this is a bigger number than the 20, 0.1. And this is 20, and you will get 91, 0.91. And if you put 20 here, the answer is 0.09. And if you take away 20 here, and the answer is 0.201. By looking at that, which number is very smallest means that is the closest. So the biggest one is, this is far away from that, so this is out, and this one is out, this one is out. 0.09 or 0.05. 0.05 is the very closest. So the answer is 19.95 is closest to 20. The coordinate A is 0, 30, and the coordinate B is 100, 0. Find the coordinate of the midpoint of AB. If anybody asks for midpoint, you need to add the x coordinate, divide by 2. So x coordinate 0 plus 100, divide by 2, comma, y coordinate, add them up and divide by 2. So 30 plus 0 and divide by 2. Answer is 100 plus 0 is 100, take divide by 2 is 50, and 30 plus 0 is 30, divide by 2 is 15. So the answer is 50, 15. So 50, 15. That is the answer for the question number 23. Question number 24. Find the missing number 8.5 plus 14.7 equal 10.2 plus what? So first of all, we need to do 8.5 add with 14.7. So column addition. So 7 plus 5, 2, 12, 1 remaining, 9, 13, and 1 remaining, 1 plus 1 is 2, 23.2. So 23.2 has to be this side as well. So to get this box, the blank, so 23.2, take away 10.2. So 0, 3, and 1. So the answer is 13.0 or 13. So you can put 13.0 or 13. So that is the answer for the question number 24. 30 or 30 cars. I think that is the end of our working out for the entire paper. I hope you do like the video, how we explain and how we make this video as an examination. And if you do like the video, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel to watch all the upcoming videos. Thank you so much.